Hey guys, Addictive Gaming Vlogs coming at you live, and today I'm just making a video to give you a little, not a really big vlog, but a couple weeks ago my dad brought me and my brother our very own dirt bike. We haven't got one in because they cost too much, and yeah, I just wanted to show you a little clip of my fail.
There's nothing funny to the bush.
Why did that brake stop it instantly?
Oh, imagine if he brakes too hard and just flips. He's going to go into a car.
Take to the field. I don't know.
Hey guys, so as you can see from that clip, I suck, and basically every time I use that bike, I'm gonna crash. Luckily, I'm finding a dirt field. See you later, guys.